Electric vehicles have high-voltage systems that require precise connections. That's why our e-mobility business expanded its power connections portfolio to provide you with the next generation of innovative electrical components. We are a global leader in the design, development, production, and testing of high-precision power and signal distribution components. Our Heritage Solutions portfolio include battery terminals that provide performance, cost, and weight savings. Rigiflex bus bars, a breakthrough in bus bar technology that integrates rigid and flexible bus bar segments into one piece. The Rigiflex Ohm bar, which is a low-profile bus bar that enables space-efficient design. Eyelet terminals, crafted to manage, handle, and assemble intricate parts. Conventional connectors that provide superior quality and performance made to withstand the harshest environments. As well as our best-in-class HPLB terminal performance, the Infinity Series connection system that we pioneered to increase affordability, efficiency, and safety in signal and data transmission. In addition to our core solutions, we offer one-stop shop capabilities to design, test, and manufacture new products in-house. Our offering includes clips, stamped battery terminal covers, power strip assemblies, brackets, precision stamping, bandolier, and compliant pins. Each of these product lines enhances our traditional vehicle, electrified vehicle, and powertrain capabilities. With the integration of Royal Power Solutions, our components are now vertically sourced, reducing complexity and time to market, as well as optimizing system performance.